Let's transform a zero point 0.1 square meter space into fully function house. Little John helped his grandpa hide their treasure and immediately got a house from him. Excited, he opened the door but found the house was only 0.1 square meters. Frightened, he quickly went back to ask his auntie for help. Firstly, he created a frame by welding galvanized square steels to extend outside, then borrowed screws from his aunt to firmly fix it to the wall, added short splices in the middle, and laid professional steel plates. A layer of grid steel mesh was added on top before pouring concrete, durable for 10,000 years. He then installed high-quality aluminum windows. Now, a wealthy Little John can happily dance his ballet in his upgraded 2.6 square meter home. The elevated sitting platform allows storage underneath for his items. He placed a mattress on top to create a bed and added a cushioned backing for comfort. He also put a folding table by the window, which serves as a workspace and dining table without taking up extra space when not in use. He welded a frame with galvanized square steels above and clad it with marble for beauty. He planned the water supply and drainage early, placing them in the toilet area to create a bathroom with a shower installed overhead. Next to it, he added a low cabinet to use as a mini kitchen with a washing and drying machine underneath. Water retaining strips were installed to prevent spills. A folding door was added for aesthetics and privacy. He then made 2 wall panels on opposite sides to store all his unread books and hang his clothes below. Finally, he placed a movable ladder. Now, Little John has a fully functional, practical, and attractive house.